After a fire, for example, there's board up services, right? So you show up in the middle of the night and you basically put wood on the windows of the property, the doors of the property, things like those, right? If you fail to do so and some child comes on your property and goes and pokes around to see what's going on and the building collapses and hurts that person, insurance could have the right to deny coverage for that child getting harmed, and therefore you actually being on the hook because you didn't do under the policy, which is the contract between the homeowner and the insurance company, right? You didn't do what you were supposed to.